So we're gonna do a little bit of work on this thing. It's starting to get cold outside, so I figured I'd start tinkering with the interior, but I've taken this wall out. There was some water damage. Ripped up the carpet that was in there. And now I'm gonna be putting a new wall back there, so that should be fun. So we'll do a new wall here. Trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with the ceiling. More than likely, I'm just gonna paint it. We'll do some new floors, some fresh paint. Kind of like the color. Kind of like that. Pulled the oven out. I got to change a water fitting back there. So I did replace all of the water lines in this. So I had a small leak right there. Gonna change that out. We'll probably do a new countertop. Clean up the oven. But yeah, looking good. So I have a bunch of these old wood fence pickets. Been saving them in the backyard because I think they look awesome. I have to get these stupid little nails out, gotta bang them out, and then what we're gonna do with it, we are gonna use it for this back wall here. We got a little bit of water damage, you know, a little bit of dry rot in there, so we're gonna make a new wall. So I picked out some of the best boards, and I'm just gonna clean up the edges of them now, or the ends. Just gonna make everything nice and straight. So I got everything in there. I saved you guys the burden of watching every little bit, but put it all in there. Looks pretty good. So now I got to figure out the back side of the window. So I'm going to put that in there, but I might have to do some shims or some longer nails. I don't know, but it's a little deep, if you can see. But I'm pumped with how it turned out. I'm pumped. Got a little barn feel up in here now.